England is one of the world's most influential and recognizable countries, known for its rich history, cultural heritage, economic strength, and global impact. Over many centuries, it has developed into a modern nation while preserving much of its historical character. Today, England successfully combines tradition with innovation, offering a unique blend of historic architecture, advanced technology, vibrant cities, and peaceful countryside. Although relatively small in size, it has played a significant role in shaping world history, science, education, literature, commerce, and culture. Its balance between preserving the past and embracing the future makes it an attractive destination for visitors, students, professionals, and businesses from around the globe. The population of England is highly diverse and multicultural, reflecting centuries of migration and cultural exchange. People from many different backgrounds, ethnic groups, and cultures live together, creating a society rich in traditions, languages, and customs. Most residents live in urban areas where modern infrastructure, employment opportunities, and cultural activities are concentrated, while rural communities offer a quieter lifestyle surrounded by natural landscapes. The country enjoys high literacy rates, a well-developed education system, and a relatively high standard of living. Communities value both individual freedom and social responsibility, with volunteering and community participation playing important roles in everyday life. England's population continues to evolve, contributing to a dynamic society that respects its historical roots while welcoming new ideas and influences. Families, professionals, students, and retirees all contribute to a balanced and active social environment where education, healthcare, employment, and cultural diversity remain central elements of daily life. This multicultural character is reflected in neighborhoods, festivals, restaurants, workplaces, and schools, creating an atmosphere where different traditions coexist and enrich the country's identity. England experiences a generally temperate climate throughout the year. Weather conditions are often changeable, and it is common to experience sunshine, clouds, wind, and light rain within the same day. Rainfall is distributed fairly evenly throughout the year rather than occurring during a single rainy season. Winters are usually cool rather than extremely cold, while summers are typically mild and comfortable. Spring and autumn bring colorful landscapes and noticeable seasonal transitions. The country's maritime climate helps moderate temperatures, preventing the extreme heat or severe cold experienced in many other parts of the world. Architecture in England reflects centuries of continuous development and changing architectural styles. Historic stone buildings, traditional houses, churches, public buildings, and historic neighborhoods stand alongside modern skyscrapers, office complexes, and contemporary residential developments. Great importance is placed on preserving historic structures, allowing centuries-old buildings to remain part of everyday life while serving modern purposes. This contrast between old and new creates a distinctive urban landscape where history and innovation exist side by side. England has a highly developed transportation network that connects cities, towns, villages, and rural areas efficiently. Roads, railways, buses, and other forms of public transportation allow millions of people to travel daily for work, education, tourism, and leisure. Public transportation is widely used in urban areas, while cycling and walking have become increasingly popular as environmentally friendly alternatives. Continuous investment in transportation infrastructure supports economic growth and improves accessibility across the country. The economy is among the largest and most diversified in the world. The service sector represents a significant portion of economic activity supported by finance, technology, professional services, education, healthcare, manufacturing, research, and creative industries. Innovation plays a central role in economic development, with businesses investing heavily in advanced technologies and scientific research. Small businesses operate alongside major international corporations, contributing to a dynamic and competitive marketplace. England has a rich cultural heritage that continues to influence global art and entertainment. Literature, music, theater, film, television, visual arts, fashion, and design all contribute to a vibrant cultural landscape. Museums, galleries, theaters, concert halls, and cultural festivals attract both local residents and international visitors throughout the year. Traditional customs continue to be celebrated while modern artistic expression constantly evolves. English cuisine has developed considerably over time. Traditional dishes remain popular, but the country's multicultural population has introduced an extraordinary variety of international flavors. Restaurants, cafes, bakeries, and street food markets offer food from nearly every region of the world. Hot beverages remain an important part of daily life, and sharing meals continues to play an important role in family and social gatherings. The natural environment is remarkably varied despite the country's relatively compact size. Rolling hills, forests, rivers, lakes, cliffs, coastlines, green fields, and protected landscapes provide opportunities for outdoor recreation throughout the year. National parks and protected areas preserve wildlife and natural ecosystems while offering hiking, cycling, and sightseeing opportunities for visitors and residents alike. Agriculture continues to play an important role in rural communities. Modern farming techniques are combined with traditional agricultural practices to produce crops and raise livestock efficiently while focusing on environmental sustainability. Advances in agricultural technology have improved productivity while reducing environmental impact and conserving natural resources. Education remains one of England's greatest strengths. Schools, colleges, universities, and research institutions are recognized for high academic standards and innovation. Education emphasizes critical thinking, creativity, scientific research, and lifelong learning. Students from many countries choose to study in England, contributing to an international academic environment and promoting global collaboration. Healthcare services are highly developed and supported by modern medical technology, professional training, and ongoing scientific research. Hospitals, clinics, and specialized medical centers provide a wide range of healthcare services, while continuous investment in medical innovation helps improve patient care and public health. Sports are deeply embedded in everyday life and national culture. Both team and individual sports enjoy widespread popularity, with participation encouraged from an early age. Professional competitions attract large audiences, while local clubs, schools, and community organizations promote physical activity and healthy lifestyles for people of all ages. Tourism is an important part of the economy, attracting millions of visitors every year. Travelers come to experience the country's history, architecture, museums, cultural attractions, shopping districts, green spaces, scenic countryside, and vibrant urban life. Well-developed tourism infrastructure, including hotels, restaurants, transportation, and visitor services, helps ensure a comfortable and enjoyable experience for domestic and international visitors. Overall, England offers a remarkable combination of history, culture, innovation, and natural beauty. Its multicultural population, moderate climate, impressive architecture, efficient transportation, strong economy, rich cultural traditions, and beautiful landscapes create a country that successfully blends centuries of heritage with modern progress. This unique balance continues to attract people from around the world, making England one of the most respected, influential, and fascinating destinations for travel, education, business, and everyday life.